What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Garreth Collins. I finally received some parts for the CBR, so now I can continue working on it. In this video, I'm going to sand down some parts and spray them. I also received the battery tray that needs to be cleaned up before I can install it, as well as a brake foot lever and a radiator tube. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so I removed the top yoke and decided before I sand or spray anything down, I'm just going to test the paint that I bought. So here's the handlebar that broke off this bike. I tested the paint on this and you can see it's really glossy. And then the left hand side handlebar is like a semi-gloss. And over here is the handlebar that I bought. It's second hand and it needs to be resprayed. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the left hand side handlebar as well, so that both handlebars can match up perfectly. Alright guys, so I just finished sanding and masking. Now I need to go ahead and paint everything, but before I can do that I need to move the bikes outside so I don't get any overspray on them. Alright guys, so I just finished spraying everything and it came out looking better than expected. You guys may have noticed that I sprayed the handlebars a different kind of black than what I did on the yoke. And that's because the yoke is originally not a full gloss, it's like a semi-gloss. And I'm going to leave the handlebars as a full gloss. So I'm going to let this dry for the next 24 hours. While it's busy doing that, I want to go ahead and clean up the second-hand battery tray that I got. It's really filthy. And see if I can remove the scratches off of the mud guard. And also I want to go ahead and remove this rear wheel so that I can clean up the grime and grease at the back here before I install the mud guard. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so I finished cleaning up the swing arm and it came out pretty good. Now I want to go ahead and remove all the scratches on the plastics. So here's a little tip for you guys. All you do is you take a heat gun and you move in circles over the plastics and it will slowly fade away all of the scratches. Alright guys, so I finished installing the mudguard as well as the battery tray with all the wiring harnesses as well as the brake foot lever. In the next video I'll be installing these new set of wheels as well as the top yoke that we finished painting and the handlebars with some extras like new grips and shorty levers. And with that being said, that's going to be a wrap for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see the CBR come back to life, make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss out on any future uploads. Also guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram so that you can get an inside scoop before YouTube. Until next time, peace.